How much does workers' compensation pay for lost wages in New York? If you've been injured on the job in New York, understanding how much you can receive in workers' compensation for lost wages is essential. The process may seem overwhelming, but these benefits are in place to protect employees like you from the financial stress that can come with work-related injuries or illnesses. Workers' compensation in New York is a legally mandated insurance program that provides injured workers with medical care and wage replacement. When someone is unable to work due to a job-related accident or illness, this system ensures they still receive partial income. If you're eligible, you don't have to prove fault to get coverage. This means that even if the injury wasn't your employer's fault, you can still qualify for benefits. Eligibility hinges on several factors. You must be classified as an employee, not an independent contractor, and the injury must be directly related to your job. Reporting the injury within 30 days and filing a claim within 2 years is crucial. The employer must also carry workers' compensation insurance or be a certified self-insured employer. So how much does workers' compensation actually pay for lost wages in New York? It depends on your average weekly wage and the degree of your disability. If you're totally or partially disabled and miss more than 7 days of work, you may be eligible for payments. Generally, workers receive 2/3 of their average weekly wage, subject to a state-imposed cap. As of July 1, 2024, the maximum weekly benefit is $1,171.46. Keep in mind, if your disability lasts longer than 14 days, payments will cover even the first week of missed work. The process of calculating lost wages begins with determining your average weekly wage, which includes earnings like overtime and bonuses. Then, a medical assessment determines the percentage of your disability. For temporary partial disabilities, payments are based on 2/3 of the difference between your prior earnings and your current restricted earnings. For total disability, whether temporary or permanent, you may receive the full 2/3 benefit, capped by the state's limit. Understanding the type of disability matters, too. Temporary benefits end when you recover or reach maximum medical improvement. Permanent benefits continue if you can't return to work. Frequency of payments typically follows your normal pay schedule, either weekly or biweekly, and can be made via check or direct deposit. In some cases, a lump sum payment is possible, but this decision should be weighed carefully. A lawyer can help clarify your rights and guide you through the steps of securing compensation. A knowledgeable attorney can help file your claim accurately, meet deadlines, and represent you if disputes arise. Navigating the workers' compensation process without legal help can be risky, especially when benefits are wrongly delayed or denied. The law firm you choose plays a major role in the outcome of your claim. A trusted law firm will make sure your documentation is thorough, your medical records are reviewed properly, and your case is presented clearly. Their goal is to make sure you get every benefit you are entitled to. If you or someone you care about has suffered a workplace injury and needs help with a workers' compensation claim, don't wait. Reach out to L Sanchez Law Office today at 646-701-7990 or visit us at 3706 82nd Street, number 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, United States. Let us help you take the right steps to secure the compensation you deserve.